Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation. Vinyl cutting is one method to create heat transfers, and contour cutting is another method that also involves a vinyl cutter. In this video, I'll be detailing the different purposes of both vinyl cutting and contour cutting and why they're done on the same compatible machine. Vinyl cutters are the machines used to create custom transfers by cutting the shape of the transfer's graphic as set by the cutting software onto a desired material. Heat transfer vinyl and adhesive decal vinyl are by far the most popular products to cut with these machines, which is why they're commonly referred to as vinyl cutters. However, select vinyl cutters are able to cut more than just vinyl. This includes craft cutters like the Silhouette Cameo and business level machines like this GCC Expert 2LX. These machines include an optical sensor that allows them to contour cut printed images, meaning after it scans the registration marks of a print, it can precisely cut around the edges as defined by the cutting software. Vinyl cutting is exclusively for cutting heat transfer and adhesive decal vinyl. The images are cut one color at a time, and they work best when they're solid, relatively simple shapes or text. Contour cutting is best suited for materials like heat transfer paper and sublimation vinyl, where you would need to cut a printed image out of a blank background. These printed images can be full color, photo quality images and designs that may not be possible to create with heat transfer vinyl. At the end of the day, both vinyl cutting and contour cutting are accomplished on the same machine, though the processes and applications are different. If you'd like to learn more about vinyl cutters, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, give our experts a call at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching.